Watch this video to learn how easy it is to convert your PDFs to Word, Excel, image or other formats with PDF Extra. After you open PDF Extra, you will see a menu with different options. In order to choose your PDF file, click the Open tab and then the Browse button if you want to select a file directly from your computer. Nobody can escape the tax season. We want to convert our W-9 form to Word. First you need to go to the toolbar and click on Convert. All available format conversions will appear below. Choose your desired format. In our case, we will hit the PDF to Word conversion. A separate window will pop up on your display, where the program will show the language it recognizes for being used in your PDF. If your document includes a text in other languages, click Select and choose them. Convert your PDF and choose where to save your new Word document on your PC. That's all it takes to convert your PDF files. Check our YouTube channel for more tutorials.